Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV years of breaking news. Viewers, scientists in China have developed a smart coating that could make it easier to remove tritium, a radioactive form of hydrogen from nuclear power plant wastewater. Tritium is notoriously difficult to remove because it binds directly into water molecules, creating tritiated water, which behaves almost identically to normal water. And the most practical way to remove it currently is water distillation. In other words, it involves boiling water so its components separate because they have slightly different boiling point. But the difference between ordinary water and tritiated water is so small that doing this requires building large distillation towers, which are expensive and use a lot of energy. Viewers, these towers use packings, which are essentially small metal mesh rings that provide a large surface area where rising vapor and falling liquid can come into contact. However, they are passive and rely on the normal movement of vapor and liquid through the tower rather than actively helping the separation process. Viewers, what the scientists have done, as they explained in a paper published in Environmental Science and Technology, is develop a packing material that is active. The research team led by scientists from Suzhou University in Suzhou took standard stainless steel mesh rings and coated them with a metal organic framework called NH2MIL 101CR, and the coating has a large surface area which increases the contact area of the packings by about 32 times, and it also contains chromium and amino chemicals groups that make it easier for tritium to exchange with ordinary hydrogen at the coating surface, improving the efficiency of the distillation process. Viewers, to see whether their concept work, the scientists tested the coated rings in a laboratory distillation column just under 1 meter tall, equivalent to 3 feet. They ran titrated water through the systems under a vacuum to see how much could be separated. The results were impressive. The column with the modified packing achieved a separation efficiency of 42.5 theoretical plates per meter, meaning it performed about 42 highly efficient separation steps per meter of column. And the coating was also durable, remaining stable and effective for more than 22 days of non-stop testing. BNS exclusive report, Glory Globe TV Delhi, Bharat.